What do you do?
So, how are you going to get down from there?
Hi, my name is Satan. I'm going to do a tuck and roll.
Tuck and roll?
Tuck and roll.
What are you going to tuck?
My ass.
I thought you were going to tuck your penis in and dance around.
If I had a penis, Jay would be good. Hold on. I can have balls.
Well, then that means Jay's gay. Because you got balls.
Oh, I was just going to say.
It's even better.
Okay.
And here we go. She's ready. She's ready. She farted.
Yep.
Yes. I slapped that ass.